Welcome to another Baka commentary video. In this video will be basically a new video on tech news that have caught my attention, and in this one it is the iPhone 15 launch and the Intel Innovation event. Since I'm late to both of these announcements and things, it's going to be more my opinion and more analytical about the two events. So, with the iPhone 15 that has launched, that as of writing, you can buy it. The standard iPhone 15 was basically last year's iPhone 14 Pro reskinned as the iPhone 15. The only real iPhone that the real Apple has launched is the iPhone 15 Pro. This is, well, on paper and clearly showing Apple is realizing they are at the Moore's Law is dead, or Moore's Law observation, whatever you like, where the Moore's Law states that you can increase performance and the scaling of the cost either goes up with it or goes down with it, or goes basically costs can come down, but at the same time you can also have a lot of car performance increase. But since you're near the end of the Moore's law, you're not gonna be able to push the performance as much, and not being able to push the cost as much. Hence, this is why I think Apple is reskinning last year's 14 Pro as the new base iPhone 15. And Apple is basically, we want to delay the inevitable that we reach the ceiling of the Moore's Law dead or Moore's Law observation performance. How do we measure performance in whatever your product in the compute world? We measure by IP by the clock speed. And then with the clock speed we calculate, then we do how much IPC instruction per cycle. As the name suggests, how much can the cycle do per clock speed. So if you have a really high clock speed clock speed device, if the IPC is shit, no matter how fast the thing is, it will be always slower than a device that has higher IPC and at the same clock speed or even lower clock speed. And when this inevitably happens with the Moore's Law, it basically that will force Apple to drastically change their whole iPhone lineup and their whole silicon infrastructure design and every yearly push that is inevitable. Basically, yeah, it would change the cost of the whole iPhone industry if we were to actually outscale, if Moore's Law observation is kind of not at the ceiling and Apple has to do some crazy innovation and crazy idea to keep the scaling ongoing, where performance you can increase it, but this time it's not dragging the price down, but rather it's bringing up the price of the cost of that design up, 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 up. It's just gonna keep going up, 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 up. Not gonna, since we're at the ceiling or it's basically stagnation, the price is not gonna drop. Now, on to the next event that have caught my attention, the Intel Innovation event. Intel basically, in the Intel Innovation event, basically revealed their Intel 14th Gen mobile CPU that is going to be Intel's first multi-chiplet consumer mass market product, which Intel calls a tile. Again, Yeah, Intel, congratulations, you finally caught up with your competitor AMD that's been doing multi-chip, chiplet for a lot longer than you. So, yeah, they have the maturity, they have the engineers, they are already used of it, their ecosystem's already there. Meanwhile, Intel, you and your tile system, your 14th gen mobile is your first generation. So the hardware is going to be there, but is the software going to be there? I trust Intel is going to be Intel. Get their software partners on board and quickly get it adopted with this Intel Tile and this ASIC AI chiplet thing that they're adding on top of already their current CPU core chiplet and IO core chiplet that they debuted with the 12th gen and 13th gen CPUs. Yeah, in conclusion, both of these events have clearly shown cases of company of like Apple extending the Moore's law observation and Intel 14 Gen, yeah, where it's like it shows that what happens when you are at the stagnation point of the Moore's law, and basically it needs these expensive redesign, and Intel is rebranding it to show that hey, we redesigned this ground up. Yes, we've taken some old stuff, but we've ground up, redesigned it in a way where it's like it's revolutionary again. Hence, Intel now got rid of the I branding and just call it Ultra. Call Ultra now, I guess. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, do the typical YouTube thing, like and subscribe. And if you want to grow the community, share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.